YouTube? This is your girl AW630 coming to you today with a tutorial video on a braid style that you can wear for if you're a bridesmaid. I think this hairstyle will go good for that occasion. If you are wearing a cute little sundress and you want to wear your hair up in a braid style, this style also will be a good hairstyle to wear with that, especially in the summertime. If you're going to like the beach or you're going to some type of fun event and you want to be casual, this hairstyle will be a perfect hairstyle for that occasion. So what I'm going to do is start from this side of the hair. I want to create a little swoop right here on, just to give it a little something so the hair won't look like it's pulled tight like this. I just want to give a little something to it. So what I'm going to do is section the hair and I'm going to braid it this way first. So when I create that, it'll lay it flat like that. Okay. And I'm just going to keep braiding it all the way around. I know my coordination looks like it's crazy, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm good. Sometimes you have to find your rhythm. When you find your rhythm, you can make it flow very easily. Okay. And just keep braiding it all the way to the other side. And you gather hair as you creating the braid to wrap around the head. Now, you can see how I'm doing this. Just keep braiding the hair, gathering it. Making sure that you have like clean, the hair is, no straggly hairs are in the way or hanging out. You want it to look smooth. Okay. This may be a little challenging for some of you all who will try to do this on yourselves, but if you have a friend or your daughter or someone who would like to wear a hairstyle like this would be something that will really be cute. I am liking this braid. Yes. Let me turn her around so you all can follow me. Follow me. Keep your head still. Go ahead. Okay. So, as you can see, what I'm doing, I'm dropping the braid low. Still trying to find my rhythm, my coordination with this thing. All right. Ooh, this is looking cute. And you just keep braiding it up. So now that I'm coming over to this side, let me turn it around so you all can see how it's going to end. Just keep gathering the hair all the way to the end. once you got all the hair in there, just tie it off. Just braid it down. All the way, as far as you can get it. As far as you can get it. And you can take a clear elastic band and tie it off like this. Now, you can spread the braid out, loosen it up a little bit so it won't look so tight. And you do the same thing all throughout the whole hairstyle. I'm going to create a loose braid. And I'm doing this so when I roll the braid up, it's going to give it a little, it's going to make it look a little decorative for the hair. Now, you can wear hair accessories also with this hairstyle. Now, if you want, you can leave it down like this, or you can do that. So what I'm doing is separating the hair, the braid, pulling it loose so it won't look so tight. And you can keep doing this until you are satisfied with the look. I think this is cute. Let me turn around so you can see the back, see how it's looking in the back. And you just keep pulling it apart like this. This is such a cute hairstyle. And again, I'm still pulling it apart. Now, what I'm going to do is take the hair, I'm going to tuck it, and then I'm going to roll it up like this. Soon as the hair get in its place and act like it needs to be where it's supposed to go. All right, come on here. Uh-oh, don't move. Where you going? And then you pin it. Pin it with hairpins or bobby pins, whatever your preference is, to secure the braid to the head. One thing about pinning a hairstyle, you have to make sure that the pins are hidden and they're not showing. And then you can just smooth it. And this is a finished look. This is the look. And this hairstyle hairstyle you can wear for a bridal event or just because you want to look cute in a dress. I think this will be the perfect hairstyle for that occasion. If you like what you saw and you would like to see this hairstyle actually done on an actual person, please subscribe to my channel, AW630. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for my next video.